So, Babe has been asking for this chicken thing that everybody's going crazy over here. Well, not just here, everywhere apparently. So, we're gonna try and order this Popeyes chicken spicy or regular thing. Be back soon. We apologize that this location is out of chicken sandwiches. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it says that they are out. They have a little paper sign that says be back soon, out of chicken sandwich. Let's find out if it's still out of business here. Or not out of business, but...
Hello, what can I get for you?
Hi, do you have the chicken sandwich yet?
No, we won't be having that until October. I'm sorry about
Till
that.
October? Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good one.
You too, bye. Well, you guys heard it. Not back until October. So guys, I just went to through the drive-thru over at Popeyes. First thing you see as you go get there to the main menu on in their drive-thru, it's like this paper sign with it says coming back soon, chicken sandwiches, sorry we're sold out at this location. I'm like, bullshit, right? Like, how could it be sold out already? Or like still, I don't know. How long does it take to get chicken? I go to Fry's to get chicken right now. Fry's, a super grocery store down here. Anyways, so I'm like, oh, let's find out, see if there is any. So I go pull up. Luckily, she was nice about it. She's all like, oh, sorry, we're out of it. And sorry, we won't have it available until October. I'm like, oh, okay, well, thanks, I guess. But she was probably annoyed. Like a lot of people asking, even though she had a sign right there that said not available at the moment or coming back soon. But yeah, anyways. Wifey wanted some, she wanted to try it out. She's like, hey, everybody's talking about this chicken. She's been talking about it for a couple of days, and she called me earlier and she was like, hey, can you find out about this chicken? So I am reporting live. Today is Saturday, no, not Saturday. Today is Tuesday, Wednesday, September 4th, 2019. Popeyes chicken or spicy chicken is sold out. So, why do you know? A little lost on the days because we just had Labor Day weekend. So today is, I believe, Wednesday. I know it's September 4th. I want to say it's Wednesday. I'm not 100% sure. But yeah, it's kind of, you get that holiday. I get a little crazy and party over the weekend and kind of forget that you got to go to work the next day or the day after. And just lose track of time, Forget to do your kids' homework. Or not do it, but do it with them. Parenting life. Oh, so, backstory. Vanessa started kindergarten about a month ago now. Maybe a little bit longer than that. Fuck. It's like parenting, wake up call, real life coming at you, kindergarten. This is just kindergarten right now. I can't imagine like later on. Middle school or third grade. The heck. God help us. Anyways, bye guys.
What you got there, huh?
You got Reeds.
The infamous chicken sandwich.
Yeah.
What are your thoughts?
Smells good.
Is it spicy by any chance? Or is it regular?
I don't know. They didn't check the box.
Oh. See what the whole commotion in the ocean is all about. Hello.
It's two. I think it's the regular one.
Yeah. Yeah, I think it's regular.
It's just light.
It's huge.
Yeah.
Hello, pickles. What do you think?
Man.
They worked it like they say.
Pretty good.
Yeah.
I just took a big old bite though.
Yeah.
I need a drink.
Oh man, drink in my cup. Alright, I'm gonna try this out. See what the whole commotion in the ocean. Don't mind me. Oh, it's huge. Like buttery. Where's my pickle? Oh, there it is. It's like a big old piece of chicken. I don't know where to begin. So good. I don't know if it's spicy. Pero me abrió la nariz. It's all stuffy. Like, ooh. Or if it's a sauce. So far I haven't got chicken. Just the breaded part.
Mm-hmm.
I can breathe. So that's good.
Primo said that he knew the guy that works there. And he's all like, hey, forget the line, come over here.
Oh, that's cool. VIP. No, forget the chicken. I'm breathing. I'm breathing. From both nostrils. Pretty good. I'm gonna start bite.